Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our predicted video including our predictions and also our model answer for one of our predicted questions. Now if you did watch our predicted video, you'd know that this was one of the predicted questions. It reads, how does Priestley present the inspector as a powerful character slash force for good? Now before we write the answer, what are some things that you need to do to achieve a grade 9? First and foremost, you need to understand the mark scheme and also the assessment objectives criteria from AO1 to AO2 to AO3, etc. And importantly, when you write your answer, you need to make sure your analysis is detailed and developed. So let's have a look at the question in further detail. So the question itself, okay, I am going to use a highlighter, is clearly about the inspector. So you need to be focusing on the inspector. Yes, it sounds obvious, but you'll be surprised how students often are making silly mistakes and they go on a tangent. And importantly, is on how he's presented as a powerful character. Okay, so how he's presented as a powerful character slash force for good. So this is the question that we are looking at today. So now, how I would start, okay, remember we would like to start off with a clear point. So I can start off by saying in many aspects, comma, the inspector, remember capital I for inspector, the inspector is the main character as he has the uncanny, remember to use ambitious vocabulary, uncanny ability to control the characters, to control the characters, to control the characters and events that occur within the play. Okay, so that would be my first sentence or so. Clear, simple point that you want to make. Now we're going to go and elaborate on this in further detail. So I can start by saying he is shown. Okay, let's not use shown because we use this all the time. We want to use an alternative synonym. So you can say he is depicted. He is depicted by Priestley through the semantic field. Through the semantic field of size, portraying his potent power and significance. Okay, and significance full stop. So something like that. Now, just to go over it, so this is my clear point, the first sentence. Now, the second sentence, he's depicted by Priestley through the semantic field of size, portraying his potent power and significance. Now, semantic field is again is basically to do with AO2, assessment objective 2. When you write your answer, you need to factor in the assessment objectives, AO1, AO2, and AO3. Semantic field is when you use a group of words associated with a particular idea. Okay, so what I've done here, I've continuously, whilst writing, okay, what I've done whilst writing is that I've considered AO1 and AO2, and I'll bring in AO3 very soon. So these are some things that you need to consider when writing your answer. Okay. Now moving on. So after significance, okay, he can be seen. He can be seen as a construct, as a construct deployed by Priestley. Remember, capital P, deployed by Priestley to get across his socialist views. To get across his socialist views and to fill the deep holes within society. Okay, full stop. That's great commentary. Now I'm going to elaborate on that in further detail. Phonetically, so phonetically means basically how the group of words sounds. His name, so just going to elaborate on that and the significance of his name. His name, Ghoul, sounds like, I'm going to put it in quotes, Ghoul, okay, as if, I'm just going to zoom down here, as if he is a ghost. Full stop. This could be implying that he is, comma, in fact, sorry, excuse my handwriting, in fact, a figure sent by God to give light and wisdom not only to the Burlings, remember Burlings, not in capitals, not only to the Burlings, capital B, not only to the Burlings, but society in general. Okay, remember a lot of the times the author, okay, is going to use the characters for a specific message. This could aid to explain his disappearance later on in the play. Later on in the play. Full stop. And that is it. So that is your model paragraph, okay? Something along those lines for your grade 8, grade 9. And I'll just wanted to go over it in detail and just, well, not in detail, just to highlight. When you write your answer, just to summarize, you want to make sure you cover AO1, AO2, and AO3 for this question, and you consider writing an answer tailored to the mark scheme. So I hope you found this video informative and beneficial. If you'd like me to do a part 2 or anything else, do let me know. And that is it for today's video. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.